Oh, hi. It's Nikki and Watson. Watsy, how are you? We're going to do some Stitch Fix. Can you lay down? Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and today is Stitch Fix Day, and Watson is here today to help me open the box. And for those of you who are not familiar, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service, and I will put some information in the link below so you can learn a little bit more about it. I actually work for Stitch Fix as a stylist, and so I was a customer before and did these videos, and then after I became a stylist, I just wanted to keep doing them. And so the reason I do these is just to show people the clothes, and also I do really like to get your feedback on the pieces that I keep, especially the longer I'm with Stitch Fix. I think the more I'm trying to be really picky on the things I keep. So this is my style card and the price sheet, which I will look at afterwards. And ooh, here's the bundle. Did I order something? Maybe I ordered some extras, but I feel like a box worth. Okay. Oops. Looks like colors are yours. Okay. Okay, let's see what this Oh, okay. So these are actually, they're stuck, earrings. And if you can see them, they are the little tassel. It is kind of hard to see, but they are kind of a light purple color, and it's those little tassels. This will be interesting. I am not someone who typically wears earrings, or if I do, it's like gold or silver hoops. I am not very creative when it comes to the jewelry. I love jewelry, but whenever I put things on, I think I don't know. So we'll see about these. I think I pinned these on my Pinterest because I thought they were cool when I saw them, and so that's probably why I got them. And so I will be trying these on when I do the other try-ons, I think. Okay, next, again, I'm sure people, and I actually have right now my whole outfit, sorry you guys, interruption, is Stitch Fix right now. Well, not my shoes, but the pants and this shirt. So I guess just the pants and the shirt are Stitch Fix. But this shirt is actually supposed to be like, you know, a cold shoulder shirt, if you see. I don't know if you've seen this one, but it kind of is so stretchy that I just end up letting it go off my shoulder now because that's what happened. Okay. Anyway, Chris is gonna have to do a lot of editing. I got another camouflage item. I had to get this though. This is totally for like athleisure. I love the fact that this shirt has the little tie in the front, so it kind of like, it's supposed to be kind of a crop shirt, but it's actually not. It doesn't look like it's that crop, so this is exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm excited to try this on, really excited. And I need to thank Maya for sending this to me because I hadn't even seen it until I peeked at the checkout, and I love this shirt. Actually, I want to say, when I peeked at checkout, I wanted to write my stylist a note and tell her that I loved her. Okay, anyway. Next is this sweatshirt. Again, remember that I'm always cold, but you can see it's kind of a big, like oversized looking sweatshirt, and it has these zippers on the corners and the little pocket in front, which I love. And I actually like that this doesn't have a hood because sometimes I just don't like hoods. And sometimes I do, of course. But this is pretty big, so we'll have to see how this looks. But I'm pretty sure if that fits, I will like it. That's the type of thing I wear often. Okay, this item that I'm about to show you is the main reason why I am now in love with my stylist. Okay, I wanted these. These are a light purple pair of the Pistola skinny cargo pants that I am now addicted to, and I think this is my third. It is my third pair. And so I now have them in olive green, gray, and this really cool light purple color. Sorry, Watson, I didn't mean to startle you. What do you think of these pants? Yeah, I like them too. So anyway, I'm super excited. I'm gonna try these on. I don't typically wear a lot of purple, but I've been kind of gravitating towards it lately, like purple with black or gray or white. Okay, sorry. So excited about those. I really hope they fit. Also, I'm so excited about these because I just got a pair of joggers a few fixes ago, and I wear them all the time. And I got these gray joggers, and I had these pinned as well. But gosh, these are so comfortable. Like, I'm someone that has been stuck in boot cut yoga pants like for years, and then last year I think I mainly wore like leggings, but some of those leggings, like the athletic type, are so tight. I felt like I was like in a sausage casing most of last winter. So I'm hoping to spend less time in that and more time in these. And hopefully they look good. Like, I don't want to be too slouchy looking, but the ones that I have now are really cute. So we'll try these, and hopefully they won't look too much like old-time sweatpants. So those are the items, and I will go ahead and do the try-on, and hopefully I can get Watson to wake up a little bit, and we'll see you guys soon. Okay. Okay, I love this. I love it. This is pretty much exactly what I was looking for. I would love to congratulate once again stylist Maya, because these earrings are exactly what I wanted with these pants, but I didn't request the earrings with the pants. I just had them pinned from a while ago, I think, actually, on my Pinterest. So anyway, so I've got the earrings on, as you can see, and this is how they look. Even though I don't usually wear earrings, these are so dang cute. Okay, and then the pants, you can see these. Again, I never know exactly what shoes I want to wear with these, but I think these might work. But look at these pants, they're so cool, and they're such a light purple color that it's enough purple that you can see it's a little bit different, but not too much. So I just love it. Love the pants, love the earrings, and I think of like 4 or 5 jackets in my closet that I could put over the top of this. So anyway, tell me what you guys think, but like, I'm completely keeping both of these items. Okay. Okay, I always gotta check this out because I really do not look at myself before you guys see me. So yeah, this is not typically a shirt I would wear. It is cut a little higher, and of course, these pants are kind of loose and baggy, which is how I like them, but we'll just see. We'll see if I would wear this with this. But at any rate, the shirt is very comfortable. You can see it does come up, and when I was wearing the pants that I just had on and was put this shirt on before I put these pants on in the closet, you could see, like, I could see some of my skin, and I don't want to see that, and nobody else does. But anyway, I kind of like this shirt. I was wondering if the sleeves would look better rolled up. I'm sure this is probably meant for someone that has a different kind of body than me, or someone that's younger than me, but I think it's really comfortable, and I'm definitely keeping it for athleisure wear. You know, weekends, around the house, running errands. Yeah, here's my flat butt. But I still just love these. I think they're so comfortable and cozy, and I'm going to keep them. And this is how they look. Okay, so this is a sweatshirt, and obviously I have a lot of zippers on right now, so I'm not sure that I'd wear these two together, but here's the zipper detail on the sweatshirt. That's really all it is. Otherwise, it's just kind of a basic dark gray. I would actually call this a sweatshirt. It has a little bit of weight to it, and it's got this cute little pocket. I've said this before, but I work at home, and so what I'm trying to do is look not professional, just look put together, so that when I answer the door, people aren't scared and they don't say, "Where's Nikki?" Because you would not recognize me. Most of the days when I get up in the morning, I'm not going to talk about that. Here's the point. I will wear things like this so frequently just because of that. And also, again, for just driving my kids around, running errands, all the things I just said. But yeah, I really love this sweatshirt a lot. So I'm okay. Watson and I were having a little conversation there, but of course he won't get his head onto the camera. I don't know why. I swear he knows it's there now because he hides away from it. Okay, anyway, let's see. Open up my envelope and my styling card. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I'm not going to read this, but like I said, Maya is my stylist and she did an excellent job. So, that's that. Thank you for doing that. And we'll go through the prices and the items. So, the first thing on here actually is the Italia Zipper Detail Knit Sweatshirt by T&T or T plus T, and that's $44. So that's this one with the zippers, and I'm keeping that. So there you go. The next item is the RD Style Cotton Twist Front Knit Top. That's the one I'm wearing right now. That is $38. Keeping it. Then, okay, the earrings, where'd they go? I love these earrings. I mean, again, I know I pin them, but sometimes I pin things that I don't. I pin it because I go, oh, maybe I'll wear it. But in this case, I actually really think I'll wear them. So, these are so cute. Keeping the earrings. And the earrings are $28. Then, these beautiful pants that I love so much. These are the Pistola Topanga Cargo Zipper Detail Skinny Pant in light purple, $88. They're a little bit spendy, but they're so comfortable. It's so worth it for me. And then last but not least, the jogger pant. This is by Free People, and it is $88. But I have to say, these are so soft, so soft. And like I said earlier, I know that I will wear them because I work at home and I'm always cold. So I'm really excited about this one. Once again, I feel like this was one of those boxes where it's like, sometimes it's just like, you know, you get some basic stuff, you're happy, but this time it was like, love it all. Like, I loved everything. And so that's really fun. It's really fun to get a box like that. So let's see, what else do we need to talk about? I don't really know at this point. What do we usually talk about here? Okay, so if you have not already done so, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I am so bad at asking people to do that. But yeah, go ahead and do that. And then if you want, there's something you can hit. I think it's a bell so that you're notified when a new video is loaded. I guess I'll focus quickly on the Facebook group. It's like this healthy, happy community of people that are just like sharing things in clothes and showing pictures, and people are giving positive feedback and being open and honest with their feedback too, and I think people feel comfortable getting that feedback. So I guess I just kind of wanted to, I guess, point out or shout out to that group because I'm so impressed by you, and I'm impressed by the moderators, and I'm impressed by the people that post most frequently, and so just wanted you guys to know that. Okay, so again, if you would like to try the service for free, you can use my referral link below. If you want to post a comment, any feedback on the clothes I tried on, any questions you might have for me, please go ahead and do that. Otherwise, I'm looking forward to seeing you guys next time. And the point of these videos was also to have Watson participating, but we're going to have to talk about that a little bit more because he's not, oh, there he is. So anyway, we'll see you guys soon. Bye. Oh, you want to give me a kiss, huh? That's all you wanted was a kiss?